So, okay, what I've done is unscrewed under here. There's some screws out, or here and here. And then I've unscrewed this and this, and then this needs 2 hands. So this is able to come out, which I'm gonna stop recording. So when this pulls out, it's like this. It's good to take a picture where everything goes, so you can be a MacGyver. So hopefully I have caught everything. So I unscrewed these here, which then this can come out, but it's hung up, I think, on this tube or this. I'm not too sure. But really, it's probably this that I need to get rid of, because these wires are not attached to the thing that needs to come out. So I'm gonna just try to figure out how to get this tube out. I mean, I could possibly break these little tabs here, but I really don't want to do that. So, I don't know, let's see if I can do it. Okay, so I didn't need to necessarily get that done first. What I needed to do was, so you put your thumbs on either side of this and you splay them open, and then this should pop off, which I did. So that's cool. I'm glad this is coming out. Okay, so I was able to get this thing off. This just slides like this. And then I was able to pry that open. So that's good. And look at that. It slides right out. Ta-da! Okay.